Today, I have with me one of the biggest Chennai Smashers fan. Oh no, sorry, wait. Not just a fan, but also one of the key reasons why Chennai Smasher exists. Would you like to shed some light on that?
Alright, so hi, I'm Vanchika. I'm daughter of the co-founder of the team Chennai Smashers, Dharmendra Goyal's daughter. I'm Vanchika Agarwal and I by myself was a lawn tennis player before. So yes, from that journey, my father also got into it, and right now, as you can see, like he's more passionate about this lawn tennis, and he wants to expand this more, like not just to the state level, but to the whole global level, like to let people know okay, how this exists and what all is there about the lawn tennis. So yes, let's see how it goes.
So basically, you started this culture of, taking up the racket and playing in your family.
I can say yes, I started that culture.
And now Chennai Smashers is taking that to the next level. Like we are empowering young minds to take up rackets and just play tennis, right?
Right, absolutely correct. And I'm so keen for looking this like young budding talent to come across the global level, and let's see how it goes. Very much like finger crossed for that.
And I had a question along this line. Since you said you have been a tennis player, you have played tennis, and we know it's a very tough sport, right?
Very
physically, mentally, it's very exhausting. So what do you think, how is Chennai Smashers changing the tennis perception in India?
Alright, so basically we are targeting towards the new budding talent. Lawn tennis is something not, I would rather say it's not very much renowned in India yet, and therefore we are trying to like get the new budding talent on the courts so that we can teach them, we can let them empower towards the other sports as well. It's more towards inculcating towards ourselves like how this comes up.
Right.
So as a sports person, and like giving my advice would be, it's very important to get into such sports.
So now let's turn our focus to our smashers, like our three smashers, Ritvik, Irina and Dalibor.
Yeah.
So what made your team overall choose them? And we know that Ritvik was part of Chennai Smashers even last year, and even this year he is playing. He has had an amazing journey this year. So what made you choose them, and how do you see this team coming together?
So as you all know, Ritvik was there with us last time as well, and since we have seen his journey from last time to this year, and it has been incredibly amazing. He's a brilliant player, no doubt for that, and therefore we chose him. So like he can guide the team also, and he can take this Chennai Smashers to the next level. So we all are like assuming let's bring the cup home this time.
So what is going to be your key role? If you have to define one key role for the Chennai Smashers team, what would it be?
I would say just let it be, like let yourself be at the moment.
Yeah.
Like just forget about everything, and however it goes, just go with the flow. And I'm very sure we all are bringing the cup home.
We are going to bring the cup home. This was kind of a threat to the other teams.
Of course.
So you know what they say about Chennai Smashers?
Let's
Fear the smash.